Hello friends, myself Dr. Luqman. Today I'm going to discuss about a new kind of epidemic disease which is coming and which is spreading very rapidly, that is black fungus mucormycosis. I will be telling some important points about that black fungus to you all. So first of all, many people are actually extremely worried. They are in a panic situation that this black fungus is a new kind of fungus which is spreading faster than corona, and why this is happening, etc, etc. So one first thing is, this is not something new fungus which has come out of now. It was always present. Fungus, it is always present all over the world. It is actually a group of fungi which was present always. There are different types which you are seeing, like black fungus, yellow and white fungus. That is not a big deal actually. It was always present, but it was not affecting the human body. There was no disease formation due to this black fungus. So the important problem here is because of the coronavirus and because of the spreading coronavirus, people are becoming more prone to acquire or get infected with this black fungus. That's the only situation. Some people are actually worried like this fungus might be a conspiracy theory. Who is doing all these kind of issues? Why these fungus are coming now? Such kind of panic situations are questions are present in people's mind. So that one misconception you have to clear in your mind. Secondly, people are also worried that why this black fungus is affecting so rapidly, and how are we also getting affected or not. We'll try to answer that one in further discussion. So primarily mucormycosis is a group of fungus which are present all over the world, which is present all over the our living habitat also. It's present as of now. It's present in around our presence also, but it is commonly found near the construction sites, factories, industries, or the places where garbages are being dumped. Most commonly they are found there, but it is possible that in and around human living also this fungus can be found, but it will not affect, it will not form the disease inside our body. This has to be understood. So what are the conditions where this black fungus will affect and cause the disease, and what are the symptoms? Let's see. Primarily those people who are having diabetes but their sugar level is not in control. Okay, so that is an important factor. Some people are having a misconception that just because you are having diabetes you will be affected by black fungus. Not true, not necessarily. The important criteria here is a patient who is diabetic but sugar levels are not in control. If that is the problem, then only that kind of patients are more prone to acquire such kind of fungus. That has to be importantly observed. Second point is those patients who are having any kind of long-term disease like malignancy, cancer, or who are paralyzed, or who are always bedridden, or having any kind of rare diseases. These patients who are having such kind of rare and long-term diseases are more prone to develop or acquire such a black fungus mucormycosis disease. Until unless these conditions are not present, it won't affect. Third, those patients or those people who are using unnecessary medication, especially steroids. If the steroids are also given, if the dosage is not calculated correctly, then it will affect such kind of patients. Fourth important point is those patients who are using voriconazole type of medicines, or whose immune power is very low, who are extremely having such any kind of addictions, might be drug addictions, etc. Those people are also more prone to develop or acquire such kind of fungus, black fungus. That has to be cleared. So here we can clear our mind that it is not going to affect everybody. It is not going to affect you and me until unless we are healthy. Only if we become unhealthy, only if we are having any kind of these kind of problems, then only it will affect the body. That has to be understood. Come on, now let's see what are the signs and symptoms of this black fungus. Primarily these black fungus, these symptoms are like having redness and pain in and around the eyes and nose. That has to be understood. Sometimes you might find some small lesions like acne or any other lesions also you might find. That is primary. Second important symptom is extreme fever, uncontrolled fever with medication also. If the fever is not controlled, then that could be an important sign of mucormycosis, that is black fungus. Third important sign is extreme headache, excruciating headache not subsiding by medication. Fourth important signs and symptom of this black fungus is altered mental status. It means the patient might look confused. He might be very like dim, or he will be very weak and he won't be that much alert. So that mental status is what actually one of the important symptom of black fungus. Apart from this one, there won't be any other issue. Some patients are also having bloody vomitings, and also like breathlessness, cough, that is also associated with coronavirus. So these are the important symptoms of black fungus that you have to remember. So I hope that you understood what is this black fungus. You need not to worry about black, white and yellow. That is only because of severity. All come under one class only, and not everybody are affected by black fungus. Only some people who are having some specific conditions only will be affected by black fungus, and the signs and symptoms are these one. If you have any kind of such observation, so please consult your doctor as soon as possible. If you consult doctor earlier, then it can be easily be treated. Now because people are consulting doctor late, that's why it is spreading very fastly, and it has become epidemic now. I hope that your misconceptions, your doubts have been cleared, and I hope that you subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.